Then for someone like Buddha, he has a very tall body. His hands are very long, and it reaches below. He has very long fingers like a waterfall, and he has webbed fingers. Not webs, but webs of light. The webs of light are the causes of him never telling a lie. His body is golden in color. His eyes is bluish in color, and he has eyelashes that's described like a cow, very long and very lustrous. And then he has a center hair here that extends out, representing his great wisdom. He has perfectly formed features. He has very, very long ears. Not the ear itself, but the lobe itself that's very long, representing having heard the teachings of the previous Buddhas many, many times and put him into practice. His back is very straight, and his upper torso is that of a lion, very thick, very strong, very grand, and extremely V-shaped. So his upper torso is very strong like a lion, very powerful with no hair, with no obstructions, nothing. And then he has a very slim waist with rounded, soft hips. And his secret organ, the male secret organ, is covered in a web of light. So it's never used for whatever people in samsara use it for. And his long legs are extremely, extremely long. And he has the Dharma chakra wheel, 1,000 spoke Dharma chakra wheel, both in his hands and his feet. And when he walks, his feet never touches the ground, but it still makes an imprint on the ground.